Hello, Professor.
Hello?
Because you are Professor of Criminal Law, could you tell us something about Iraq President Saddam Hussein and his trial?
Yes, of course. The trial of Saddam Hussein was the trial of the deposed president of Iraq, Saddam Hussein, by the Iraqi interim government for crimes against humanity during his time in office. The Coalition Provisional Authority voted to create the Iraqi Special Tribunal consisting of 5 Iraqi judges on 9th December 23 to try Saddam Hussein and his aides for charges of 4 crimes, crimes against humanity and genocide. The trial was viewed in some quarters as a kangaroo court or shout trial. Amnesty International states that the trial was unfair, and Human Rights Watch, noting that Saddam's execution follows a flawed trial and marks a significant step away from the rule of law in Iraq. Saddam was captured on December 13 in 2003. He remained in custody by United States forces at Camp Groper in Baghdad, along with 11 senior Ba'athist officials. Particular attention was paid during the trial to activities in violent campaigns against the Kurds in the north during the Iran and Iraq war, against the Shiites in the south in 1991 and 1999 to put down revolts, and in Juchile after a failed assassination attempt on July 8 in 1982 during the Iran-Iraq war. Saddam was asserted in his defense that he had been unlawfully overthrown and is still, he was still the president of Iraq. The first trial began before the Iraqi Special Tribunal on 19 October 2005. At this trial, Saddam and 7 other defendants were tried for crimes against humanity with regard to events that took place after a failed assassination attempt in Dujal in 1982 by members of the Islamic Dawa Party. It's like human rights abuses in Iraq. A second and separate trial began on August 21st in 2006, trying Saddam and 6 PO defendants for genocide during the Anfal military campaign against the Kurds of northern Iraq. Yes, talking about Saddam may also have been tried in absentia for events dating to the Iran-Iraq war and the invasion of Kuwait, including war crimes and crimes against humanity, and of course crimes like genocide. Yes, I think on November 5th, on November 5th in 2006, Saddam was sentenced to death by hanging. And on December 26, Saddam's appeal was rejected and the death sentence upheld. No further appeals were taken and Saddam was ordered executed within 30 days of that date. The date and place of the execution were secret until the sentence was carried out. Saddam Hussein was executed by hanging on December 13 in 2006. With his death, all our charges were dropped. Yeah, because short lack of time, I must go to meet with others. So.
Okay, thank you, Professor. Very thank you.
Okay, so goodbye.
See you. Good day.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم